Just want to share one more thing that I found. So when trying to get that nut off, even though I only replaced this sway bar link probably 5-6 months ago, it's new, it shouldn't have rusted that much or had anything. I did put blue thread locker on there. Anyways, I was just severely struggling to get this off in order to prepare to get the shock out. So I don't know what to say. You know, I know when I took my old one off, you basically, you have to have that 1/4 inch drive to hold the end of it in order to get it off. If you don't have this, there's no chance in hell you're gonna get that nut off. So so what I did was, when this nut was all the way screwed on and it was sitting flush against this, it develops rust right around there. So I took this chisel, this is like only 3/8 wide, and just banged at the top of this at a couple of spots, because you can only reach this side and this side. Banged it, and it seemed to maybe have dislodged some of this rust just enough. And then I tried again and I was able to get that nut to come off, but I'll be honest with you, if you're changing your shock, I would have 2 of these here, and change your sway bar links on either side, no doubt about it. They don't cost that much money, but be prepared to have the right tools to get those things off, because when I tried to get the old one off, it was quite a struggle. So make sure all of that rust right there is polished off as much as you can. I mean, at the bottom one you can't get on the underside, so definitely the day before, spray all this with penetrant, rust penetrant, PB blaster or whatever. Don't do it without it, man. Like, these are really hard to get off, and you're gonna need to throw this all away. So yeah, that's what I found. You know, the last thing you need is have your truck not being able to drive and need parts that take days and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully that will be helpful.